Dear students, today we are going to listen one story from your value education book. The chapter name is Grandpa's Birthday. Amrita and Akashdeep Arora had decided to live by themselves after retirement. Although their son Arun and daughter Ruby also lived in the same city, they felt that since both children had their own families to look after, it was the best that everyone fended for himself or herself. Everyone enjoyed their independence. This arrangement worked fine for everyone. The three families met whenever the occasion demanded. The coming Sunday was Grandpa's 65th birthday. The birthday lunch was to be held at Arun's apartment. As Akashdeep and Amrita sipped their morning tea, the phone rang continuously. The children, grandchildren, friends, and relatives all wanted to convey their best wishes. Akashdeep felt overwhelmed with his grandchildren's love. Amrita too felt happy. Quietly, she thanked God that the children were appreciative of what the two had done for them. It was just past 11 when Amrita rang the bell to Arun's apartment. It took a minute before the door was opened. As the door opened into the sitting room, right before the door were Arun, his wife, and children, and Ruby, her husband, and children. Today we have a special program lined up for you, Grandpa. Ruby's son said, I have been appointed the master of ceremonies. You will do as I ask you to. Yes, sir, grandfather said, smiling. Please proceed. We will begin with the gifts first. He said, who will be the first one? Arun's wife brought the first gift. Ruby and her husband followed next. The children have all saved on their pocket money. Grandpa, the master of ceremonies, said, the gifts are small, but they came with our love. The next item was a game passing the parcel. The master of ceremonies would play music. The parcel would pass from one person to another. When the music stopped, the person holding the parcel would open it. Inside it would be a slip giving instruction on what the person was to do. The parcel moved from person to person. One was asked to sing, another to dance. There was much mirth and laughter. They seemed like one group, laughing and enjoying every bit of it. The game over, Master of Ceremonies rose to announce, Grandpa, in your honor, we're going all to eat in time, not as we are used to. Lunch will be served in a few minutes. Arun's wife and Ruby had put up a lavish lunch. Everyone ate heartily. The lunch over, a beautiful chocolate cake was taken out of the refrigerator. Two candles, shaped as 6 and 5, were placed, lit up, and a knife handed over. Grandma, you must stand with Grandpa. The master of ceremonies said, I will take a photograph. Once again, happy birthday to you was sung. The cake was cut. It was passed around after everyone had fed a little piece of Grandpa. The party is not over, Grandpa, the master of ceremonies announced. We are now going to play Why I Love You Baby. What is that? The elders asked. We never heard of such a game. I will explain it to you. The master of ceremonies said, Grandpa was born today. He's the baby. We all have received so much from Grandpa. Let us not keep it to ourselves. Let us tell the baby how much we appreciate him. Each one of us will begin with, I love you, baby, because, and give a reason for loving him. Let us begin with dad and mom first. So, all the family members express their love and affection for grandpa. The last master of ceremonies did not say anything. He walked over to his grandfather and, keeping in tune with the spirit of the game, said, I love you, baby, not because it is your birthday today. I love you because you are the greatest grandpa in the world. So, children, moral of the story, we should show our love and caringness towards our family members. We should take care of our grandparents and we should be thankful to them. So, thank you. Hope you enjoyed the story. Thank you.